We put some used oil so become juicy. Okay. That's my style, cooking like this. That's it. So if people notice that it's like a bubbling, or you hear the noise of the oil, meaning the heat is coming inside the meat. If you're eating like this, I recommend to you with toyo mansi. You buy at no pills. So after watching this, don't forget to subscribe and click the button for today. And I'm sure for the everyday tasks for today it's become good because of a nice food. Okay. So almost cook, maybe. Okay. For sure. Every time, time to time. Okay. Another tips, if you have no grill, if you have available wheelbarrow in your backyard or in your place, do it. I'm sure you're proud it. You can cook in the street beside yours, in front of your house, without with wheel, or beside both sides of your house or the back of your house. It depends on you. See? Unique grill stand with wheel with two handle. Okay. So this is for the food for tonight. There's a barbecue inside, but it depends what they like. A big barbecue, a grilled pork, it's up to them. The important, we have food for today. flip again, so you can balance the heat. Okay. Oh, maybe a couple of minutes, it's done. That's all the tips for today. How to cook a basic barbecue without barbecue grill. No need to buy a tank. No need to refill your tank in propane. This is the basic fundamental to save your money. Okay. That's why you see in my backyard lots of cardboards, different cardboards of coming from Pizza Hut. See, that's what I'm using to burn the parts of the trees. See, effective because I like every time cooking at the back. Depends if boiling a pork or a chicken, barbecue, sinigang, or nilaga Filipino dish, especially the barbecue or grilled pork, everything. That's why I like using the parts of the tree because it's free and save money. Okay, just burn it. That's it. You can cook a rice. You can cook a dishes. Anything dish you want, especially the meat, boiling meat. Okay, to become smooth and soft meat like this. You cook, you can reheat by tomorrow at work. Perfect. Save money. We. So next time we cook mackerel tinapa. Okay. But for now, we need to maybe next weekend we can start that if I have a time to cook that mackerel tinapa flavor without mixing flavor, any flavor to buy it. No need. Just some ingredients, important basic ingredients. That's it. No need flavor. No need artificial homemade tinapa flavor, a Filipino dish. So that's what only my tips for you. So instead, buy something, ingredients, no need. We can cook here also. How to cook a tinapa, even tinapa chicken, tinapa pork, tinapa fish, or tinapa tilapia. That's the Filipino food only. So about the other country, I know you don't like that, but that's a Filipino dish only. Okay? Not a intercontinental or other country. See? Astoyamansi, alamang, okay, with pepper and vinegar, chili, onion, with new rice, steamed rice, or fried rice. Wow, amazing! Yes. There's a mais there. Mais.
I don't like. I go down the hill over there.
Hill?
Yeah, just
Why?
downhill. I gotta go down the store to my
No,
friends.
just in the front. Okay,
Okay.
this. Did you eat your ice cream? There's a one ice cream there.
Yeah.
You like this?
Yes. Where? He said no.
I
Dad,
don't.
can I go?
Flip it again to avoid burning. See? I love it. Wow. See? Cheap, no need power electricity to use for this. No smoke house. No smoke in the house. So it's cause of saving. That's a number one tip for you. Nice. Looks yummy. Eh? Looks yummy, eh? Have supper now. Yes, finally, almost done. Oh, no problem. Easy. Yes. Almost. Yes. Cooking in the backyard. Number one tips. Okay, I hope you like it, this video, and just click again the button and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so it's time to eat now. Maybe it's 8 o'clock in the afternoon, but the sky is cloudy. Maybe it's raining, possible raining or not. See the green leaves in springtime is going back. So see you guys. Hopefully you like it, this video, to share to you the experience how to cook and save your money in your backyard. Okay, it's time to eat now. It's almost cooking. Yes, less than 45 minutes, easy. Maybe it took 35 minutes only to finish this food for tomorrow. My lunch, breakfast, and supper for tonight. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. See you again for my next video upload. See you, bye. Good night.